Hi there, it's Emily from the Marathon Public Library, and we're coming to you today with our first video for the TD Summer Reading Club. For this video, we're going to be doing a little science experiment with items you can find around your house. For this experiment, we're going to use a few items, like I said, that you can find around your house, such as a plate, some food coloring, cotton swabs, milk, and most importantly, dish soap. I also should say you might want to put down some paper of any sort to protect your space, as it may possibly get messy. But now, to start off, what we're going to do is we're going to grab our milk and pour a little on the plate just to cover the whole surface. You're going to take your food coloring. I only have the basic colors. You might have some pretty fancy ones, so go ahead and use that and see what kind of design you get afterwards. Alright, and now with my cotton swab, I'm going to take some dish soap and just put a little bit on the tip of your cotton swab here. Just, you don't want to soak it in there, but just get enough to cover it. There, that should be good there, just like that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to place it in the middle. Oh, bubbles. I'm going to place it in the middle of my food coloring here to see what happens.